I'm right now on the red carpet with Zach Galifianakis, the one and only Hangover Part 3.
Yeah, Hangover Part 3, that's what we're here to promote. We're very fortunate, guys, to be part of this, and that's kind of the feeling, is just gratitude, I think, more than anything. And that we made some movies with some laughs in it. Hopefully people feel better, but there's nothing more than that. We just try to make people feel better. Oh, hi, Mom. Poor thing. She looks nothing like me, thank God.
Right now with Bradley Cooper.
Hello.
What was it like for you to see that final script and know that it was happening again?
Excited, yeah. We knew that Todd was going to knock it out of the park with Craig Mazin, and he did. Oh man, Chow's back in a big way. We got a Dylan and John Goodman. There's a lot going on.
It's been a great ride. Really fun, really intense at times, a lot of hard work, and some of the greatest friendships I could ever hope for. So at the end of the day, just a ton of gratitude. Best analogy is when a roller coaster pulls into the platform at the end of the ride, and like you're sad because you had a great time, but also you realize like it's probably time to get off, or I might get injured or sick.
Ken Jeong in the house.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We need to bring on that energy, Mr. Chow.
Oh yeah, it's just been, this Hangar 3 is the best thing I've ever been a part of, so I'm just so excited to share this with the fans, and it's just sad that, this is it. Won't be working with my best friends I've ever worked with in film. I think Chow wants to be in the Wolfpack, but I think Chow scares the Wolfpack, and I think Chow is isolated from the Wolfpack in many ways, but to see them like this this reluctant alliance is kind of cool.
It's great. It's great to see everybody, and it's sort of bittersweet that it's ending. You're happy for what you've accomplished and that you've made people around the world laugh, and it's sad because we love working together. We thought after the first one we'd be lucky if people saw it, and it really took off and did well, and so now we're here on the premiere of Hangover 3.
The Hangover was kind of inspired by Las Vegas, and now at the third one it kind of feels like Vegas is inspired by the Hangover a little bit, so it's a little full circle.
Someone told me I was an honorary member of the Wolfpack, so I was pretty excited about that.
What does that take to be an honorary member of the Wolfpack?
I'm not sure, but I guess I helped them in the first one, and I helped them in the second one, and the third one. So maybe it's just helping the Wolfpack. I don't know.
Go ahead and say it, Black Doug. I mean, I ain't white Doug, but yeah, this is just like, constant fun, constant laugh, or jokes all the time.
It's just to be a part of it, like even in the wee bits, it's such an honor.